consider this as a viable option, and feel free to come talk to us at the booth about the particular features that you'll be looking for and needing for your project. And we'll make sure that the work that we're doing sort of jives with what you need and what your timeline is. So, wow, it's 9:50. I've demonstrated most of what's there. There's still so much more that I could show. Did you guys notice? This is all thanks to the new Ajax module or the Ajax feature of the Forms API in Drupal 7. I didn't have to write any JavaScript to have this dynamically updating form. All I had to write was like a single callback function that returned a portion of a form array. That's all. And now Drupal's like totally doing this whole like drop-in replacement stuff that's just really, really cool. And it makes it a lot easier to build dynamic forms. The checkout form, of course, is using the same process. And if all goes well and Damian shows me what to do, all this stuff will be JavaScript degradable as well. So we're on the right track there. Really excited about the progress thus far. We've already had maybe a dozen people besides myself contributing code. I know in this room, Das Peter just did a patch recently. Boyan Z also did a patch recently, well, several patches. And we already have our first major contributed module using Drupal Commerce. This is the Commerce Affiliate module that Boyan did as his Google Summer of Code project. So there's actually now a new affiliate module for Drupal 7. It's currently called Affiliate NG, but we're going to try and get rid of the NG ASAP. And it also has integration for Drupal Commerce to provide affiliate systems for e-commerce websites. So you can thank him for that. He did a really stellar job this summer. And thanks to the other contributors in the room. And we'd love to have you on board. There is, for people that are maybe intimidated by Drupal 7, intimidated by how much is already in Drupal Commerce, and you don't think you can maybe do some of the bigger issues, I keep and I maintain this low-hanging fruit issue tracker. If you go to bit.ly/low-hanging is the URL, there is a low-hanging fruit set of issues that are items that you don't have to know all of Drupal Commerce to do. You don't have to know how entities and fields work and relate to each other within Drupal Commerce to take care of these issues. So if you want to contribute, that's a good place to start. We also have testing issues and user interface mock-ups that we're reviewing, would appreciate more feedback on, and of course a host of other things for you to get involved with. So I really need to let you go, and I need to let whoever's going next get up here. But I'll be hanging out in the hallway after the session, and of course I'll be at the Commerce Guys booth for a lot of the week. So feel free to come find me, ask any questions you have, and hand me. I'll even accept printouts of patches. I'm going to hand me patches in person. So thank you very much for your attention. It's been good to be here, and I'll see you all later this week.